In this video, I am going to tell you that what is VIP Plus package. VIP Plus package is a new package designed by EazyBot so that its users gets more profit. Currently, you can see if you are a VIP member, you will have to pay a software service fee per trade, that is 20%. But here you will save a 5%. And you will have to pay only 15% of the SSF. The actual price of VIP Plus package is $1,495, but right now till 18th of November it is in promotion. Till 18th of November, if you are a VIP member, you can upgrade to VIP Plus for only $99. Any member who purchased a VIP package between October 1st to October 18 will be upgraded at no additional cost. Existing advanced members can upgrade to VIP Plus according to this formula: $745 minus pro rate plus 99. So 745, I let you know why it is there. VIP members pay $995 to upgrade to VIP package. So if you are not a VIP and you are advanced member, so 995 minus 250, which is the cost of advanced package, it is equal to 745. So this is 745. What does prorate means? Let me tell you that I am going to my dashboard. Right now I am an advanced member and I am having 242 days left. So we will calculate it. The package is costing me $250 per 365 days. So per day, this is my cost of the package. So right now I am having 242 days left, so I will multiply it by 242 is equal to, right now I am having $165. My pro rate will become 165. Roughly we will write 170, so it will become 170. Now let's calculate. $745 minus 170 plus 99. So I need to put extra $674 in my EazyBot account. I already have some amount there in my balance. So for that, to deposit amount, I will go to my wallet part and I will click deposit. I will put enough amount so that I have that money in my wallet, and then I will go to upgrade part and will click here the upgrade button, and right now it says insufficient funds, but when you click it, it will be upgraded at the same time. So hope that helps. Thank you.